Hi, we're back in this townhouse in Park Slope. So let's take a look at the work in progress. Come with me. So right now we are installing the stairs. This is the first floor. We just installed the stairs to go to the upper floor. And they are stunning, they're very beautiful. We will start the railing as well. This is gonna be kind of a library room with this amazing arch window. I love it so much. It came along very well. And here, this is the master bathroom. The clients had a clear vision on how they want the design. White tiles, bright, and subway tile that we installed vertically so that the room looks even taller. And then the favorite color is blue, so we put this accent wall of blue tiles in the shower. And right here, as you can see here. And we have gold finishes. I don't know if you can see through that. We have these blue tiles in every bathroom and the powder room. In the powder room, we put the blue tiles behind the vanity. Just to recreate the same effect. If we keep going, this is the master bedroom. So it's nice and bright. You cannot see the wood floor right now, but I don't know, you can kind of see it here. It's a maple wood floor that has a semi-gloss finish, and will be very, very bright and nice. And so where the stairs will match the wood, the color of the wood. So here we will have to install the railing here. They install already the stairs to go to the basement, and now they are doing the upper floor. See here, it's kind of cool. This is the kitchen, one of the three kitchens. We took down this wall. We'll have the counter right here and a peninsula right here with 3 pendant lights. Yeah. If we keep going, we'll have a powder room. There's no light yet, so we cannot turn on the lights, but the vanity will come these days. And yeah, like I said before, we have these white tiles everywhere and blue tiles and as an accent wall behind the vanity here because we don't have a shower here. Okay, this is a marble tile mosaic from Ansax, and I really love these tiles. We are installing these tiles in the backsplash in every kitchen. So we're gonna have a stone quartz counter, and vertically you'll have these marble tiles as a backsplash. So I think it's very, very beautiful and bright, and all 3 kitchens will be white. So yeah, that's a very nice feature. Stay tuned on our channel to see the progress and the transformation.